Pink DIYs, and my intro just like my tablet turned off, and then mind blowing, my recording just stopped. And yeah, so today I'm making a squishy vending machine. Yeah, I'll be posting my funny intro soon. You will be needing a shoebox, some spare cardboard. It can be this giant cereal box. Scissors. Where did they go? I'll be right back. I'm in a few seconds for you. But it took me forever to find these. Scissors. Maybe a ruler. And drawing utensils like pencils, markers, and paper. And of course, you need prizes and decorations. And that's basically all you need. Now, background change. Camera. Yay! Okay, so yeah, that. Now you will need your scissors and pencil or marker, and now we're going to cut reflection. We're going to cut the back of this. This box is just not working with me today. Angles are just not going with me today. I need help in finding a good angle, okay? I know you guys don't like the phone angle because, like, when I record, when you guys watch it on YouTube, it looks bad. But bear with me. There's no other possible way to do it. Oh, yeah. First, what you need to do is you need to cut. Oh, it's still not showing, but oh, you need to cut a window. Or if you don't want a window, then you can skip this step, but I'm not sure if I should do a window or not. So let's, you can, first, after you cut the window, mark it. Lag! Okay. It's not showing on camera, but okay, I turned out the light. It's sort of see me now. I'm holding the pencil weird. Okay. Let me outline it with this knot. You're not supposed to use this. But it's permanent on box for me. So do that. And I'm just gonna use this since it's bolder and stuff. And you can make as many buttons as you want, but then you need to make more then you'll need to make more holes so the prizes fall out. So I'm just gonna try something new and make 2. You can add as many as you want, and you can change up the design and make it go this way so that the boxes are on the side and the window is here. But today, I'm going to do it this way. And after that, make a little flap. Just 2 lines. or you can make it land there if you want, or you can just make a hole. This looks weird, but bear with me. Now for the whole parts, this part we're gonna cut later. For the whole parts, take your scissors and do that. It's pretty easy, but it's sort of dangerous at the same time. But that's the easiest way to cut the hole. And now cut your whole size. I'm just gonna pause it for a second. I just cut this out. Nice and clean. And now cut these. And the other side. Boom! And now, let's snip it out. I just cut this out. And I'm just gonna snip the edges. And boom! Done. For that part. And now we're gonna make the main base right here. What you need to do is get my box. Get your cereal box. I think cereal boxes are better than these hard ones because these are thinner, but they're still sturdy. So what you need to do is take your machine and measure, whoa, just a flip. Okay. Measure, my desk. Measure this part as these. So it's gonna be here. Or you can just measure this part. But tracing the bottom is easier. Let's trace. Oh, and I also recommend taking this and whoa, okay, cut this so that it's a giant paper, like it's a giant square and a rectangle. Let me move this aside and cut. Cut here and the bottom part. Okay, so now that it's that cut, let's trace. I just realized this is a trace. It's blocking all the light, but I don't care at the moment. Let me just do that. What? Wait, my swirly chair does it, you guys. I think that's good enough. Just take your ruler or anything really straight. And do that. If my hair is dangling, I'm sorry. I just realized that it looks lopsided, but you can trim it later. Why did I just put it that way? Now let's cut. It's stuck. Okay. Now I have to cut it. I just did that. Now let's see if it fits. It's too big. It's still too big. That lion is creeping me out. Is it even a lion? What am I saying? It's a tiger. It's about right. Like that. That part needs to trim. Like, it's gonna be there just like that. And now let's cut out the holes. About here. I may have to do like a second video on this because the time is running out. Like that. Let me go home like that. Like that. And now you cut a hole. You can make the hole whatever shape. It doesn't matter. Like that. And now we do this. Do this other side too. Like so. You can make this except miniature version since the mechanism, am I saying that right? Is not that hard. So of course you can just search up another video and use that too. How is this gonna work? So this is, there's gonna be a button here, and the button is gonna push, and then the prize is gonna drop. So if that, oh, we need to glue this so that the holes are facing the front, like this. Now use hot glue or tape to glue. We have a problem. The hot glue gun does not reach. So we're gonna have to move the camera again. I think right here. So bring all my stuff down. And now let's wait. Now that shows. Don't do this. I just check if it's hot. My stuff. Now we wait. Oh, and this video was inspired by Squishy Boba Forever. And she's super great at squishies and stuff, and I just think her squishies are so cute. And I saw a video of her making a squishy vending machine, so I thought I'd make a vending machine. It's working. And this is the end of this video since part 2 will be coming out probably today as well. So hope you enjoyed this video, and there might be a part 3, who knows. But thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more great videos. And bye!